Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to generate random numbers. Let's start with some serial number. Like we can give serial numbers, here are names. Let's say there are subjects A, B, C and D. We can add some numbers, number of students. There is an easy way to move, like to increase the numbers, so just you can drag this till now and you can get the numbers. Let's suppose we have names of students: Bob, Steve, Alex, Hunter, John. Let's suppose we are having 5 students and now you want to generate some scores, or you can say numbers, that how much score Bob got in A subject, B subject, C subject and D subject. So you can use the formula is equal to run between, as most of the subjects are having score from 0 to 100, so we can type 0, 100 and parenthesis close and press enter. So 30 is a random number generated. Now we will do the same for B, C and D, but the easiest way is to click on this spot and drag it. Random number is generated. Now let's suppose we want to generate random number for the rest of the students. Just click on this spot and move down. So numbers are generated. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.